For the static dynamic push-up, what we need to do is we need to set up in a rack. We can use either the J-hooks or we can use some pegs. We're gonna put an elastic band across, and that's gonna go across our hips. It's gonna allow us to perform this activity and do reps that we wouldn't normally be able to do without some assistance. So the height of the band is going to depend on how much assistance you need and obviously the thickness of the band. So if we move the band a little bit higher, it's going to assist us a little bit more. Well, you'll notice I have some rather large dumbbells here as well. So that's going to elevate us a little bit. So it's going to put us a little bit like on an incline. If we were really struggling to perform this and getting the congruency of the shoulder blades to the rib cage, so we didn't have the shoulder blade lifting off the rib cage, what we can do is we can put these on top of some sort of elevation. So we could potentially put the dumbbells on top of something like this, which is going to give us a little bit more of an incline. It's going to make it a little bit easier. So we're going to set up, we're going to put that band across our hips. We want to make sure that when we get into this that we have our knuckle pointing straight down, and then we're going to keep the elbow directly over top of the wrist throughout the exercise. There's a couple ways of doing this. We can do a hold at the top, we can do a hold in the middle, and we can do a hold at the bottom, and this will be prescribed through different blocks of training. So I'm going to demonstrate all three. So with static dynamic, we're going to do 2 controlled reps, and we're going to breathe through those reps, and then we're going to hold, and in this case, we're going to start with a high hold. So this position here, we're going to push up and away so we get the congruency of the shoulder blades to the rib cage. We're going to inhale on descent. Push up and away so we get the congruency of the rib cage and the shoulder blades. And we're going to be performing a high hold, so we want to push through our toes, push up through our hands. We're holding that top position for 3 breath cycles. So now we're going to be performing a middle hold. So after my 2 reps, I'm going to go to the middle and hold and perform 3 breath cycles. Now if I was going to do a low hold, the only difference is after I perform my 2 reps, I'm going to go all the way to the bottom, and I'm going to hold just below parallel as I breathe. So that's how you set it up. That's how you perform the different variations of either high hold, middle hold, or low hold. And again, it's going to be 2 repetitions, nice and slow on the way down, no pause, nice and slow on the way up, followed by a 3 breath cycle, and that is 1 repetition.